Hi, welcome to Trust Local. Yesterday, I put out a video for Core Web Vitals, and Core Web Vitals is something that's coming really, really soon, May 1st, 2021. Today's date is April 7th, 2021, so it's like 3 weeks away, and it's where Google's going to grade your website for speed and and how people interact on your website, right? So speed is really important. We've known about mobile for a long time that we need to speed that up. Well, anyway, you saw yesterday that when we first pursued this, we're going to start. We were going to do Core Web Vitals for our own site, Trust Local Agency, and we had an F in GTmetrix, and we had like an 18 in Google Speed, right? Insights. So anyway, now we have an A and we have 100, and so we're gonna. I got an email last night from somebody saying, "Well, it changes all the time, so why don't you try it again and see if you still have 100 and still have an A?" So I'm going to prove it to you right here, right now, that we still do. Today's the next day. Yesterday was a 6, and I asked that you just you grab our website, trustlocalagency.com. And if you want to see our score yourself, you just can go to GTmetrix and any of those tools that test speed on your own, and you can get that. So let's get right to it. Okay, so here I have everything open, but what I'm going to do, I like going into an incognito window because then it doesn't save anything, right? And so let me make this a little smaller. Let me do this. All right, move it down just a little because I need to grab these and throw them over there. Okay, let's throw that one in first. Let's get GTmetrix up. There it is. There's that one. Let's go to the next one. Let's do page speed insights. Let's grab that. Let's put it over there right here. Okay, there's that. Let me just grab my URL real quick, copy. Let's go in here and let's try this real quick. And then we'll even try somebody else at the same time. So let me open this up. Let me go ahead and put my URL in here, paste it in, analyze, go over here to GTmetrix, paste it in, bam, let it analyze, and here we go. So what is it, 9:56 a.m. in Colorado, and it's on 4/7. Yesterday we did the same thing. Okay, so here we are. Page speed insights is done. We still have 100 on mobile, which is the real tough one. And on desktop, we have 100. So on mobile, on desktop, we're at 100. Let's see where we are here. Perfect score. We have an A, 100%, 100%, 550 milliseconds, 0, 0. It can't get any better than this. Let's do this now real quick. Let's just grab google.com. Let's look for SEO company. Oh, sorry, SEO companies. Let's do another state. Let's do Miami, Florida. Okay. All right. So here we are. Here's a good company right here. I mean, they have 4.732 Google reviews. The Miami SEO company. It can't get any better than that, right? Let's try their website real quick. Let me open it in a new link. Let's go over here. Let's make sure I'm on their main site. Well, it's loading a little bit slow. I'm just going to make sure. I'm going to grab it, copy. Let me go back into GTmetrix. This is another SEO company. We'll do a couple of these, okay, just to make sure. So the Miami SEO company, bam. Let's go in here. Let's get rid of my score. Let's throw this in real quick. Okay, let's see what we got. There, it's going. I'm gonna be grabbing another company real quick. So Clutch is there's top SEO companies in Miami. So this is actually the first one that's on search engine optimization. They're at the top of SEO, right? So let's also grab this one. Let me make sure I'm in their actual URL. Okay, let's look at this. Well, here you go. So the Miami SEO company has an F, just like we had. Okay, so that's not bad. If they start working on this, they can get this fixed. They're always welcome to hire us to do this for them. Okay, mobile, a 19. That's not good at all. That's extremely slow on mobile. How about desktop? Desktop, they have a 32. That's still not very good. All right. So, all right, let's just see one more now. I already grabbed this. Let me grab this. Let me see what they have. GTmetrix, maybe they're better because they're at the top of the page in Google when you're doing a search for, if you're going to use organic, right? If they're going to look organically. The other one was in the maps and they just were showing up. Let's try this. Maybe they have a better score. You know, it'd be good to see something higher from one of these. It's almost done. How about this one? Oh, wow. That's really good. They got a 99 on mobile. That's really good. That's great. Desktop, they have 100. So they have a 99, they have 100. They're almost like as good as us. They have an A, they have a 95%. Ours was faster here. We had zeros. Okay, well, this is pretty good. So they have a good score. So that's great. Let's try one more. Let's just go to the very next one, which is with our number one with our, okay, let's try this one. On the Map Marketing. So they're an SEO company. Let's just try them real quick. Let me make sure I'm actually on here. Award-winning digital marketing agency. So maybe they have a good score also. Let's go back in here. Let's do this. We're only going to do this one, and then we'll be done. Bam. Let's go back in here. Let's put them on here, see what kind of score they got here. So they've been working on this. So they're getting ready for Core Web Vitals, which is extremely important, just like we are. Okay, on the map, it's almost done. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Well, that's not helping. They're not listening. It's almost done. What about here? Okay, here we go. Well, they got a B. That's not too bad. They got a B. This is okay, right? Having a B. It's not an A, but a B is good. Well, they got 69 on a mobile. They're going to have to bring that up, right? If they're going to get any good rankings, because they can lose their ranking because of this, right? If somebody has a higher score, like this other company we just looked at, this is going to hurt them. And they got a 97 on desktop. That's not too bad. Okay, so there's 3 that we did, and you just got to see it. Let's do, okay, let's come back over here now. All right, May 1st, 2021, Google is going to be looking at the speed and the experience of your website. So it's extremely important that somebody works on your Core Web Vitals. It's extremely important. Now, this is not an easy task. You know, we have one of the best coders in the world that works for our company. He has 3 other coders below him in our company that he works with, but he's like brilliant. And he's not the type of person that you'll get on the screen, because he's, like I said yesterday, he's in some dark dungeon working on all this stuff. And that's what he loves to do. So that's great, because it really helps our company. So when Craig and I set this up, you know, before we knew that when we checked, we had an F. And we had to change that, right? Because, you know, in the past, our website for Trust Local, we weren't going after speed. We weren't trying to optimize it for this Core Web Vital thing, because we don't really use our website for that reason. And we use it to show people what our other services are, because a lot of our work comes from word of mouth. They're hot leads already coming to us. So those, you know, we work with a lot of people like that. But now we're going to grow. We know in order for us to rank organically, especially if we're going to be going nationwide, that we had to get our score good. So we can do the same thing for you. So it's going to cost $500 to get you an A score in GTmetrix, and at least a 95 to 100% on PageSpeed Insights from Google. Now, Google's going to be looking at this really close. So we're going to get you an A in GTmetrix. We're going to get you a score of 95 to 100% in PageSpeed Insights. And if we can't, we're going to give you your money back, your $500 back, plus we're going to give you an extra $500 cash for wasting your time. So now you have your money back and you have $500 to go somewhere else and try to get it done from someone else. But believe me, this is not a simple thing. A lot of people are not going to be able to do what we can do, especially on mobile. So just, give us a call. Let us work that out. Remember, if we can't get you an A on GTmetrix, or we can't get you at least a 95 to 100% on PageSpeed Insights on both mobile and desktop, not just one or the other, on mobile and desktop, both, then we're going to give you your money back plus $500 cash. So you heard it straight from the horse's mouth, or my mouth. I'm not a horse, but you heard it from my mouth. I'm the CEO of Trust Local Agency. I'm telling you, if we can't get you an 8, we can't get you 95% or 100, up to 100, then we're going to give you your money back plus $500. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Just reach out to us, trustlocalagency.com, or our phone number at the top. Give us a call. We're happy to talk you through this. And we're extremely happy to maybe work with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.